ElsieMae's bowl. I'm making my own bowl. Man, just look at that. Woo, that looks so good. Look at that. Stir-fried vegetables. And I'm making my own bowl. ElsieMae bowl. Look at that. Bell peppers, onion, cabbage, corn. And I'm going to add me some shrimp in here. Oh man, that's going to really be good. Now I'm going to tie it back up and stir fry it in a few more minutes. How about that? I got my hot rice ready for my bowl. To have me a stir-fried bowl made by ElsieMae. Chopped all my ingredients up. Bell pepper, corn, onions, and cabbage. And also I chop my meat up and I have my shrimps. Okay. Man, that's delicious. Woo! Say that like that, shall I, boo?